Precision. The precision is excellent. Shum karo without any trouble. Hey guys, my name is Aaron Arjun Kaul and मैं आज आपके लिए लेके आया एक review video. Today, since I'm bringing the video to you today, I'm going to show you a really cool product which is Phillips का OneBlade Pro. I'm going to show you इस box के अंदर क्या क्या है, इसके कौन से features है, trim, edge, shape, whatever. Click on body comb, click on skin guard, 2 durable plates, etc. We'll get into it once I get into this. इस box के अंदर था वो जो होते हैं ना sections, sectors of where everything is kept, but I placed it in this neat pouch that comes in the box, and I've also kept the manuals and everything so that I know कि इसके जो भी attachments होती हैं वो क्या-क्या करती हैं. Okay, so I think let's just get into it. Obviously, there's the charging cable with it. Oh, so this is the 14th length precision comb, right? For a 0.4 mm to 10 mm stubble. So basically it goes from like a 0.4 millimeter, like 0.4 millimeter to like a 10 millimeter stubble. So I think if I just connect it here, this is the blade. What is it called? Unique OneBlade technology. This is on. Sounds amazing. Let me just try what this feels like. मेरे को पहले ये लगा के देखते हैं if the attachment fits on top. 1 second. Now it works. Oh damn! So now you can get like a stubble with from 0.4 mm to 10 mm. Whoa! So I have these two attachments next with me. This one is called a click-on body comb. Okay, so I think it's for like armpits and like chest hair or whatever. Body hair that requires some sort of just a little bit of distance from the body if you don't prefer it. I'm not claiming it. This is what it looks like to me. It says easily trim in any direction. It means like shum karo without any trouble. Okay, and this one is called a click-on skin guard for sensitive areas. So this one, wait, I've got this attached to it. So this one is for your sensitive areas, and sensitive areas can be anything. Oh, easily attached. So if I just box के अंदर yeah, easily up, easily down. Oh, I get it. It's almost like I'm not even feeling the blade touching my skin, and it still trims. Then we have the easy trimmer, which I think you can. Well, this is easier than I thought it would be. It comes with things like contour following technology. So I've kept it on the 0.4 because I think I just want to get rid of it. Everything, and also it like shows you how well it works, you know. It literally took me like 5-6 seconds to get rid of my muchi completely. Look, wow, I'm going back way. Guys, मैं उल्टा सीधा दोनों तरफ से कर रहा हूँ. I don't even need a mirror. I'm literally doing it with my front camera. That's insane. This technology has 40% faster trimming, and guys, I swear I can see it, feel it, and I don't need to be made to believe it because it's here. I'm just like playing around with my face. I think this gives you a sense of confidence also, man, because the build is so nice. You know, it's got almost like a stainless steel titanium sort of a finish. It's not titanium. I don't know if it's stainless steel. Whatever this is, it's got a steely kind of a finish. Great grip. Cover भी है इसका. तुम cover करके रखना है इसको अपने blade को, guys. Keep this safe. You use this for travel. This will make your blades last longer. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions you can ask, and maybe if I do another video I'm going to present it to you. Phillips OneBlade Pro, the bro you need.